So here's how to cash out on Freecash app. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Freecash application. So once you're here in the Freecash dashboard, what you need to do is tap on Cash Out on the bottom bar. So after going to Cash Out, you will get to see your balance right here. And if you scroll down, you will get to see all the available methods that you can use to cash out from Freecash. So for this tutorial, let's go with withdraw cash. And as you can see, there are a couple of options. Let's go with Bitcoin. So once you select Bitcoin, you will get to see this page. Here, on the amount section, you need to enter your withdrawal amount in USD. Once you're done, you need to put in your Bitcoin address on the top bar. And keep in mind that if you put in the wrong address, your funds will be gone forever. So after you're done putting in all the information, make sure that they're correct. And then just tap on Withdraw. So that is exactly how you can cash out on Freecash app.